Whether you are troubleshooting a leak or want to refresh your bathroom with new fixtures, installing a new faucet is an easy project you can complete in a few simple steps. Here's what you'll need. Before you begin, make sure to remove all items from around and/or under the sink, and turn off the hot and cold water supply lines at the shutoff valves or the main water supply. Place a pan or towel under the work area to catch any water from disconnected lines. Then, turn the faucet on to release pressure in the water lines. Next, remove the old faucet. Use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the water supply lines. Then, remove the faucet mounting nuts from underneath the sink. Now, unhook the lift rod for the drain stopper and lift the faucet fixture from the top of the sink. Then, scrape the remaining sealant from the sink surface. Clean around the holes with a cleaner appropriate for your sink type to make sure to remove all remaining sealant and residue. Choose the right faucet based on your sink setup. Sinks with 3 holes that measure 4 inches between holes fit a center set faucet, or a single hole faucet with deck plate to cover vacant holes. Next, assemble the faucet. Place the faucet gasket over the tail pieces so that it is between the sink and the base of the faucet. Or apply a bead of plumber's putty or silicone caulk as a sealant. Then insert the faucet assembly into the mounting holes so that the base is parallel to the back of the sink. Thread the washer and basin nut onto the valve tail pieces from underneath the sink. Tighten the nuts, alternating from one side to the other to draw the faucet body evenly over the gasket. Before you tighten all the way, measure from both sides of the faucet body and adjust as necessary so that it is centered on the top of the sink. Next, apply silicone caulk around the drain rim. Place the collar on the drain rim and wipe away excess silicone. Install the pop-up stopper and its lift rod according to the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, connect the water supply line to the faucet. Tighten using an adjustable wrench. Then, turn the water back on at the supply line valves. Remove the aerator on the spout and turn on the faucet. Allow both hot and cold water to flush the system for 1 minute. Finally, check for leaks and replace the aerator. Installing a new faucet is an easy way to make a big impact on the design and efficiency of your bathroom. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.